Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we learn about application of BI in modern business world, and we'll look at some of the mostly and commonly uses of BI by organizations. We'll start by looking at application in operational efficiency and financial analytics. Remember that business intelligence entails a set of processes, technologies, and tools that aid organizations in collecting, analyzing, and presenting business information to support decision-making. Therefore, in the real world, business intelligence has widespread application across various industries, contributing to enhanced strategic planning, improved operational efficiency, and informed decision-making. One of the areas that BI is used is in performance management. Under performance management, BI is used to generate data-driven insight into employees' performance. In so doing, BI enables organizations to set clear and measurable performance goals that aligns with individuals and teams in the organization. 2, it tracks performance against goals, therefore monitoring progress and identifying areas of importance. Then it also provides data-driven feedback, which empowers employees with actionable insights to enhance performance. Then it identifies top performance by recognizing and rewarding the high-performing individuals and teams. And finally, it makes informed talent decisions that helps to guide and develop employees through training and mentorship. Then it is also used in CRM, that is customer relationship management. Under CRM, business intelligence enhances customer relationship with the organizations. This is done by analyzing customer interaction, purchase history, and demographic information. It helps identify customer segment by identifying customers with similar characteristics and preferences. Then it also helps to uncover customer patterns through analyzing behaviors and purchasing trends. It also helps to predict customer churn, that is, it identifies customers at risk of leaving the company. Then it also helps to personalize marketing that are tailored to specific customer segments. Then it targets sales effort towards high potential customers and optimizes sales strategies. And finally, it enhances customer service by providing personalized support based on the customer's needs and preferences. Then next application is supply chain management, under which business intelligence is used to provide data-driven insights to optimize inventory level, predict demand, and enhance overall efficiency. This is done through understanding of the demand pattern, optimizing inventory level, reducing stockouts, minimizing excess inventory costs, optimizing routes, streamlining processes, and finally reducing lead time. Finally, we have financial analytics, under which BI tools are used by organizations to comprehend timely insight about their financial performance. This is done through monitoring of financial performance using key financial metrics such as revenue, expenses, and profit margin. Then BI is also used to analyze budget adherence by identifying areas where actual spending deviates from budgeted amount. Then we have BI usage in creation of accurate forecast by developing informed projections of future financial performance. BI is also used to identify and manage financial risks by assessing and mitigating potential financial risks for the company. And finally, it helps to support financial decision-making by providing data-driven insights to inform financial decisions. That's it. Those are the commonly used and application of BI in modern world. In our next lesson, we look at how Tableau can be used through dashboards and stories to cover some of these areas, that is, some of these applications.